Hello, and after you finish the basic knowledge about the candlestick, and in this lesson I will tell you some example about how you can apply this knowledge into the analyze the chart. And this is the first our examples to analyze on the forex currencies. The first example is USD ZPY is a currency pair on the daily time frame. And look at this chart. I will guide you how you to analyze the chart basically in the first step. So let's see what happens into our chart. When you look at the chart, I also apply the moving average 50 time periods here to easy to you to look at the charts because you are new traders. When you have the more knowledge, more experience, you can remove the moving average. Just look at the charts wholly. But at this time, I will add it to you to be easy to follow. And when you look at the chart, the price now is breakable the moving average 50 periods, and we will looking for the buy trends. So when break above of the moving average 50 periods is not enough signals for us to entry because only moving average cannot show you the options. But when you look at the chart, you can define here is a selling zone, so strong selling zone here, and price also break above a strong selling zone. It confirms to you that now the buying is more stronger than the selling pressure, so the trend is a uptrend, not the downtrend like before. So you can looking for the buy signals. And here is a daily time frame. And at this time, after price break above of the selling strong zone and how to define it, you will learn in the next course. But in this example, I will do it for you first. And from the next lesson, you can do it by yourself. And now we will looking for the signals, the reversal signals, waiting for the pullback and waiting for the reversal signals from that pullback to entry into the market. And when you see on the market, you can see now the market creates the red candle. It means that the pullback is a start. So let's see what happens next. Here is a very strong, very strong pin bar, down pin bar. On this pin bar, you can see that very strong selling pressure when the price come to the strong zone. But on this pin bar, you also see that very strong buy pressure come to into the market. And you can see that here is also the strong buying zone. So you can waiting whether the price can create any the reversal signals on this strong buying zone support you to entry into the market. So let's see what happened. The first is buying candles. And at this candle, you can see that this is might be the engulfing candles. At this time, I cannot show you. This is a beautiful engulfing candles because you can see on the top of this Marubozu candle also have the selling pressure, but in this selling pressure is not strong. It's quite weak. So look at all the pattern here. You can see that all these pin bar candles also have the buying pressure. And price now undecision when it comes to the strong buying zone, and after undecision they decide to go up again at the strong buying zone. So totally we have three things support for the entry. The first one is the price go above of the moving average 50 periods, and the second thing is price break out the strong selling zone, and the third thing, also the most important thing, is price come to the strong buying zone and create the strong candle pattern here. And at this time at our standards, you can set a buy stop above of this candle and stop loss below of this candle. But this candle is too big, so I can set a stop loss in near the middle of this candle. And how about the take profit? Take profit, you can set and take profit by the handily or trailing stop, or just set and take profits by which the risk and reward. Normally I will set the risk and reward is more than 3 times. It means that if I lose, I just lose one price, but I win 3 price. This is a successful system while trading, and you need to understand about it. So let's see what happened with our market. Now my entry is active, and price go up at our price cut. And now price still have no any signal to access, so we will follow it, and we do not do anything. And price come very strongly above, and If you trading stop at this time, you can wait. You can expand our trade, expand our take profits. In this candle, you can see that this is a big candles, but the selling pressure also draw into the market slightly. When you see on the tail, on the top of these candles, so that is a story. That is story you can see and you can read when you come to the market. Very strong uptrend, up candles, and now at this candle, you can see here is a strong min bar down candles. So you might need to exit. You need to exit at this time and have a profit. It's a lot of profits with the risk and reward is more than 3 times. This is a good trade, and it is a beautiful example for you to how we analyze the chart. So let's come to the next example. And now I will give you an example on the pound USD. I will trading on the 1 hour time frame and combination with the 2 time frame together to find out the best entry into the market. So let's see. Here is our 1 hour time frame on the pound USD. And on this chart, you can see that the market structure now is creates the lower low and the lower high. It means that we're looking for the sell signals. And when you see on the higher time frame, also the same theories. And when you see on the higher time frame, you can see that here is a selling pressure, very strong zone. So we can looking for whether the price come back to this zone to find out the best entries. So let's wait more when the price, because when you see the price now have a small pullbacks, and we will wait until this pullback is the end to entry into the market. So let's see. Price come very strong, and you can see that after 2 candles, price now come to the strong selling zones on the 1 hours. But here is a strong selling zone of 4 hours. It means that it's very strong. So 2 big maroon candle on 1 hour time frame might not be held by the selling zone on the 4 hours. Therefore, but you cannot make sure anything on this market. So we need to waiting if there any reversal pattern at these levels. So let's see what happened. Now you can see that the market creates the pin bar candle at the strong selling zone. It means that the market is quite indecision at this strong selling zone. But it is not an entry candles first, because we can see that 1, 2, and 3 candle can show you the strong buying pressure come to into the market. Only one the pin bar candle, green pin bar candle, cannot show you any signals. So let's wait more. And now is a one candle quite beautiful. You can see that strong up candles, 1, 2, and 3 candles, and the markets come to the selling zone and indecision, and it confirms to you that this is the downward candle show you selling pressure come into the market. So at this time, you can set an entry over here, entry above these candles, and set a stop loss below this candle a little bit. And where will we take profits? And on this market, you also see that here you also have a buying pressure very strong. So this is a very good range to take profits. The first take profits over here, it also get the risk and reward is 3 times. This is quite good. So let's see what happened into my trade. So markets come in, hit into my entry, and now my order is active. And you can see that the market now is go down. You can see how the stop loss is important, because if you set a stop loss, in the wrong way, the stop loss might be hit and price can go down again. As your first step is very uncomfortable when you see the trade like this. So let's see what happened into our trade. You can see that how the important signals, how the reversal signal is running from the selling zone. The selling zone can show you that there is a lot of selling pressure over here, and you will need to wait until price come to the range very strong and wait the signals to entry into the market. And you can turn off the computers, turn off the laptop, no need to check the market and set an outlet set an outlet over here, and when the price hit into the market, and you come to the chart and check what is happened. When you can have a appearance, you can do it. And I think that true example can show you how very clearly that how the one trader analyze the market based on the candles, based on the moving average, based on the patterns, and how they entry, how they take profits. And if you do not understand or is any problem, please watch the video one more time and also see again about the theory about the candlestick. This is very useful. Candlestick is basic, is a cornerstone for you to understand about the technical analysis. So practice it, so understand about it fully. You will get more confidence about the next important strategy I will teach you. Thank you very much and see you next lessons.